Hey everyone, welcome to Ira channel. My name is Oleg, and today I'm going to do unboxing of this new Gotrax 87 electric scooter. And let's open up to see how it's packed. Here's how it will look from the top. Very neat. And here's how it will look from the side. Here's a big box which actually empty. It's just basically packaging. So inside you're gonna find basket, charger, which is 2 amp charger, and Allen key and user manual and some more instruction in order to assemble it. But looks like to me you just need to attach the basket. That's about it. I'm gonna remove this scooter from the box, and I'll show you what exactly you need to do in order to start to ride it. So I removed from the box, just gonna get some zip tie off from handlebar. Okay, and looks like you just bring it up, close this latch, and the handlebar already attached. You don't really need to assemble much. So you would need to attach the handlebar, so you would remove these two bolts with Allen key. Drop it, put it back, put this mounting back as well, and resecure with the same bolts you just removed. As simple as this. That's it. You can reposition the way you like. So the handlebar is attached, so next we need to find the seat. And the seat should be right here. There looks like nothing else inside. Okay, so next basically you would need to attach the seat. So you would remove these bolts, okay, and reattach it just like that. To make attachment of the seat much easier, I just remove these two bolts from the basket or back, wherever it's in. Yeah, it's a back from here, two bolts, and then I'll attach the seat and then reattach the back, so it will be much easier to attach the seat. So the seat already attached, very comfortable, soft seat, large one, like e-moped style, with nice back attached. Next, we're gonna attach the basket. So before attaching the basket, you would need to remove these 4 bolts. Put the basket on top. Looks like it's the same. Doesn't matter if you put which direction. Okay. And reattach with the same bolts you just removed. And I'm gonna move it all the way back for better cargo. And the basket is attached now. And here's how the A7 will look once you assemble. So it does come with a foldable handlebar, so you just bring it up if you want to unfold, close this latch, and that's it. To fold it, you just open the latch, put it back like this, it will be folded. So it can be transported easy in a car, on the back seat probably. I know it's pretty long actually. So again, most people who buy this type of scooter, they're going to use it as a regular transportation. So let me show you how it will look. I'm 5'11", so here's also pegs. Okay, so you can basically use the pegs if you want to, or you can put feet right here. Okay, handlebar is not adjustable. Also the seat is not adjustable, so this is the position gonna be. Looks like the shocks works pretty good on this scooter, pretty soft I would say. And the fork as well, not bad. It's about 1 inch travel. It's not adjustable fork, but it does come with a mechanical disc brakes. So this is a position 5'11" person will sit on. If you're shorter, you can ride it as well. If you're taller, you can ride it as well. I'm not sure why they put the pegs probably if you decide to put something in between, so you can put another basket probably inside, because for me, I would probably keep my feet inside unless there is a cargo. So let me get closer so you can see exactly. 8.7 comes with 16 inches wheels, which is 16 by 2.5 thickness. It's like more city riding. Yeah, very nice tires. Mag wheels, looks like magnesium. It comes with the fenders attached, the fork with suspension, which is about an inch travel, headlight. For reason the bike actually needs to be charged, actually the scooter needs to be charged. Here's a foldable mechanism. You need to pull this trigger down in order to open. Here's pegs, foldable as well. I don't think you will need it unless you're gonna have a cargo in between. You can ride it with a pad, with basket. So it does come with a basket on the back, which is large. It should fit at least 1 gallon of milk, maybe even 2. It's a welded rack to the frame, so it should be strong. It does come with a nice suspension on the rear, dual suspension, which is pretty soft so far I tested, and kind of small motor. The battery is underneath with controller, so let's see what the size of the motor. So the motor on the side says 48 volt, 500 watts. So it is very small, but we're gonna go for a ride and see how fast I can go and if it's powerful enough to carry me to 115 pounds. And the seat, of course, very nice and soft, comfortable. And here's a handlebar. It's pretty wide enough with nice grips, with some rest. Manual bell. The key ignition right here. I need to charge the battery in order to turn it on. I'll show you later. Half throttle. The brakes, mechanicals. 8.7 comes with the mechanical disc brakes, which is pretty good with some ventilation, and it's 160 millimeters. Should be good for about 20 miles an hour probably. So it's a dual brake system on the front and rear. So again, I think this bike it's designed for 20 miles an hour, but we're gonna test it out and see after I charge the bike and put some air pressure in the tires. Alright, so now we're gonna test it out for speed and just see how the riding experience. It's a little bit different scooter type of I got used to riding. Like I have many scooters I tested before, but this one a little bit different. Looks like this one comes with a 2 speed and parking mode. So if you don't ride it for a few minutes, it will turn to the parking mode, so it means the throttle will not work. So you would need to push this button once, it will go to pedal assist level 1, basically not pedal assist, level 1 speed, and then 2, you'll see the letter like number 2 display. It's very clear, so there's only 2 speed. That's it. You can see the battery, mileage, bell. So here's a display after I charged. So the reason it was not charged because the power cord was disconnected. This is a charging port, so inside there is a battery. Okay, so the battery got disconnected while the shipment, because looks like they dropped the box so bad that inside this cable got disconnected. Over here there's a screw, so you can open up, unscrew it, and open up and remove it. So if you get bike like this and there's no power, most likely your battery cable is disconnected. Easy to fix, basically just need to open up and plug it in. And let's go. Oh, it's turned again to pedal assist. Actually, it's turned again to parking mode, so I need to push twice. Okay, wait. Yep. And if you need headlight, you just turn another key to the right and it'll turn the headlight. That's it, very easy, and go. So let's see how fast we can go today. So far 16, 17 on GPS, 19. I can see 20 on display, but 19 on GPS. So it's about probably 19 and a half, because very solid 19. The shock actually very smooth, and yeah, that's it. You cannot really go any faster, but let's turn around and try the pedal, the speed number 1, since we know already the top speed I got with my weight on only 19 based on GPS, but 20 on display. So you're gonna get 15.5 miles an hour on display, on GPS 15. So that's pedal assist level 1. So it's a probably pretty good for some people at slow speed, 15 miles an hour. I believe it does come with cruise control if you ride for a long time, maybe not. We can test it out. And I keep my feet on the pegs, so I have the pegs open, but you can also keep like this. So it will be actually, I like this way. So you just sit on it. And let's turn to the pedal assist level 2. I'm sorry, the speed level 2 and go. It is very smooth bike because it comes with a full suspension. I mean, the scooter. Actually, it's kind of different feelings. The rear shock works a little bit differently. I can feel it even riding on the flat. It's like, because I sit on top of the shock, 90 miles an hour, and I'm gonna stop. Oh, brakes works good, slowly, and like, I mean, it's quiet. Over here the bumps, so front fork, I can feel like it's working fine. But the shock, it does work pretty good. So this is a scooter, Gotrax 87. I guess it's good for as commuter. It's good as probably kind of cargo scooter because you can put something in between your legs if you want to, and the rack. Since the rack is attached to the frame, it should carry like pretty good load. This scooter weighs about 66, 67 pounds probably, based on my weight, like 68 probably, with the back. And the charger is 2 amp charger, so it will take you about 5 hours to charge this scooter. So it is pretty kind of nice. Wow, it's actually nibbling, pretty yeah, it's very solid. It's very solid and very stable on the road. But at the same time, the seat is comfortable, the shocks are good. So it's not the cheapest scooter, I would say, but it's pretty kind of solid, nice, I would say more premium type of scooter. Anyways guys, if you like this scooter, I'm gonna leave a link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.